Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Platform Bed King is probably one of the most stylish and practical choices for your bedroom. These beds combine a modern, minimalist design with the essential support your mattress needs. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of platform beds with headboards, exploring their features, benefits, and what to consider before making your purchase to ensure you get the perfect bed for a great night's sleep. Number 5. ZINUS Shalini Upholstered Platform Bed, Dark Gray, King. This bed frame features an elegant diamond pattern stitching. It's built with a sturdy construction that will last. This bed is a stunning addition to any bedroom. The interior steel framework and dense foam padding add both comfort and longevity. It's designed to support a significant amount of weight, ensuring it can handle everyday use. This bed frame has durable wood slats that support your mattress. This eliminates the need for a box spring, making setup simple and easy. Everything you need comes in one box, delivered right to your door. All the parts, tools, and instructions are conveniently located for a quick and easy assembly. This bed frame comes with a worry-free 5-year limited warranty. You can rest easy knowing that it is built to last and backed by a solid warranty. What we like. This bed frame features a stylish woven fabric upholstery that adds a touch of elegance to your bedroom. It's also incredibly easy to assemble, saving you time and effort. If you're looking for a bed that combines style, durability, and ease of setup, this is a great choice. What people say. It was the perfect size for my room, fit my mattress perfectly, and made zero noise. I opened the box, pulled out a headboard. Was confused at first BC we ordered a bed. Then I noticed all the parts were stored perfectly inside the back of the headboard in a zippered compartment. Nice steel frame, very sturdy. Number 4. ZINUS Dori King Bed Frame. This bed frame features a modern design with a square-stitched headboard and wingbacks. It's built with a solid wood and steel frame, ensuring great mattress support. The interior steel framework and dense foam padding add comfort and longevity. It is designed to last. Durable wood slats support your mattress without a box spring. The slats are spaced to provide optimal support for your latex, memory foam, or spring mattress. Everything is packed in one box and shipped to your door. All the parts, tools, and instructions are in the headboard for easy assembly. It can be assembled in under an hour by 2 people. This bed frame comes with a worry-free 5-year limited warranty. Please note that the mattress is sold separately. What we like. With its refined wingback headboard and strong frame, this bed frame offers both style and robust support. The modern design is a great addition to any bedroom. If you value a bed that combines a contemporary look with lasting durability, you should consider this one. What people say. Once opened, all items are stored zipped up in the back of the headboard. Necessary tools were included. Not all screws needed to be used during assembly. One person is sufficient to assemble the bed frame. The manual was pretty clear-cut. The images were accurate, and it all made sense. There's about a 7.5-inch clearance under the bed frame for storage. The headboard is firm to support you sitting up and also very squishy. Nice alternative to a hard wall. I used a 10 in memory foam mattress, and as you can see, it doesn't sit too high on the bed, so easy to get on. Very sturdy, and I have no regrets. The entire frame was packed into the headboard and zipped up. Very ingenious. It came with a ratchet to put everything together instead of your typical hex or Allen key. Made life so much easier. All parts come neatly packed in the zippered storage behind the headboard, which is a nice touch, plus you can use that for storage once it's assembled. Nice touch to include both the hex wrench and the ratcheting hex wrench, makes assembly with 2 people faster, and tightening down all the bolts a breeze. They even give you spare bolts should you need them. Very intuitive construction, and parts fit together perfectly, assembled in about 30 minutes or less. Once constructed, this thing is as sturdy as a bed frame comes, and completely silent. Velcro padded design on the wood slats helps, and no movement of the mattress. All parts come neatly packed in the zippered storage behind the headboard, which is a nice touch, plus you can use that for storage once it's assembled. The packaging was creative, and I was happy to unzip the back of the headboard and find some pieces in there. Number 3. HomeLife Premier Classics King Bed, Black Linen. This is the HomeLife Premier Classics King Bed. It features a stylish design and is built for comfort and durability. It's the perfect addition to any bedroom. The bed features a beautiful black linen headboard with silver button accents. The design is both modern and timeless, making it a great fit for any decor. This bed frame is built with a durable wooden slat design for mattress support. It's designed to last, providing you with years of comfortable use. The bed is easy to assemble and comes in 2 condensed boxes. You won't need a box spring, saving you time and money. The bed dimensions are 89L x 85W x 51H, with a headboard height of 48. This bed is designed to provide you with a comfortable and supportive sleep experience. What we like. This bed frame features a classic design with a cloth headboard and durable wooden slats. It's also easy to assemble, making setup a breeze. If you like a simple, elegant design and easy setup, this bed frame is a great option. What people say. The bed frame is sturdy and well made. The headboard is a nice touch and adds to the overall aesthetic. The platform design eliminates the need for a box spring. Number 2. BME Vivian 14 King Bed Frame, Rustic Golden Brown. This king bed frame is crafted from sustainable acacia wood. The rustic golden brown finish makes it a beautiful centerpiece for your bedroom. The durable acacia wood frame provides optimal mattress support. Its unique wood grain finish adds an impressive touch to your master suite. The wood slat support system offers complete mattress support. This eliminates the need for a box spring, and it can hold up to 800 pounds. All parts, tools, and instructions are included for easy setup. It takes less than an hour with a friend's help. Dedicated customer service is available 24/7 to assist you. They are ready to help with any problems you may have. What we like. This bed frame is crafted from solid acacia wood with a beautiful rustic golden brown finish. The strong wood slat support ensures your mattress is well supported. If you are looking for a bed frame that offers both style and robust support, this one is a great choice. What people say. Came packed well. One of the easiest pieces of furniture I've ever assembled. Went together flawlessly and without effort. Very solid and looks great. It feels well made and sturdy. The wood seems solid and it's very pretty. This bed frame is incredibly well made. The wood is absolutely gorgeous and it overall seems high quality. Number 1. BME Caden 15 King Bed Frame. This king bed frame features an adjustable headboard. It extends from 39 to 45 inches, allowing you to find the perfect fit for your mattress. Enjoy a comfortable 15-degree recline while reading or watching TV. Crafted from high-quality solid acacia wood, this bed frame is built for years of use. The unique wood grain patterns add to its charm. It can support up to 800 pounds, ensuring durability and stability. The bed frame includes all the necessary hardware and tools for easy assembly. 2 people can put it together in about 45 minutes. You can skip the box spring thanks to the included wood slat support system. With its classic lines and chic design, this bed frame complements any bedroom decor. The warm caramel hue adds a touch of elegance. It's perfect for mid-century modern, retro, or Scandinavian styles. Designed to be noiseless and non-slip, this bed frame provides optimal support and comfort. Get the recommended 6 to 8 hours of sleep each night with it. You'll wake up feeling refreshed and ready to go. What we like. This bed frame features an adjustable headboard, allowing you to customize the height to your preference. It's crafted from solid acacia wood and boasts a stylish mid-century modern design. If you like to read or watch TV in bed, and value a bed that offers both comfort and style, then this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Very solid bed, looks great, priced right, and easy to assemble. Absolutely beautiful. It was very easy to put together. Very sturdy. I love it. The wood is great quality and it was super easy to assemble, not tools needed because they provide all that you need to assemble. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.